skies. We start sent to update you with the latest weather as well as an estimated time per hour. For now, if there is anything we can do to make
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to WestJet Flight 612 with service to Ottawa. Our flight time today will be 3 hours and 24 minutes. Flying us over to Ottawa, we have Captain Tyson, First Officer Colin. In the cabin, it's more important for your safety and comfort. We have at row 22, Justin. At row 4, we have Carol. In front of me, we have Madeline, and my name is Claudio. Your safety is important to us, and we ask you to review the following safety information. There is a safety features card located at your seat which indicates the safety features of this aircraft. Please take it out and follow us along as we cover some very important information. Seat belts and no smoking sign are visible through the cabin. Please comply with them at all times. The smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes and vaporizers, as well consuming your own alcohol, including duty-free, is prohibited. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your hips. To fasten, insert the flat metal fitting into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten to release the top of the buckle. Turbulence may occur without warning. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of an emergency, you will hear the command to brace. Refer to your safety features card for your brace position. Do not take any carry-on baggage with you during an evacuation and follow the directions of the crew. There is a total of 8 emergency exits, 4 window exits located in cabin over the wings, 2 door exits located at the front, and 2 door exits located at the back. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you along with all other exits. Should a power loss emergency occur, front lighting will come out and all exits will be illuminated by the exit sign. Should the cabin pressure change, oxygen mask will drop from the panel above you. Please remain seated and immediately put the mask towards to you to stop the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and secure it with the elastic strap just behind your head. Pull the tools at the front to tighten and put your mask on first before resisting anyone else. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure your seatbelt is upright and your table tray is stowed. If an electronic device became wedged within the seat, do not adjust the seat or try to retrieve it. Please call your cabin crew for immediate assistance. Always use when you retrieve your carry-on baggage for the overhead beam to avoid injure yourself or any other guest. Thank you for choosing WestJet as a part of your journey today. Please let any crew member know you have any questions or safety concerns. We hope you enjoy the flight. Thank you. These guys will do this one more time in French.
Bienvenue à bord. About to dim the cabin lighting. If you require additional lighting, you may press the light button just above you in the console. Ce variation va donner l'éclairage dans la cabine. Si vous avez besoin de plus d'éclairage, vous pourrez aider le bouton au-dessous de vous. Merci.